Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. You guys know that in this platform, we don't hide anything. I make sure you get to the latest update. That is why I am here for you. So this afternoon, I uploaded a video about a plan to arrest Simon Ekpa. Come and see. A lot of people were telling me, "Oh, Progress News, yeah, I don't like what you are saying. I don't like what you are doing. Why will you be lying? Why will you be deceiving your followers? It's not true. Nobody does that. Blah blah blah." I received a lot of message saying I'm trying to frame up words. What I'm saying is not true, is not real, that nobody can do that, nobody can even say that. Okay, oh. I hope that you all will follow up and watch this video to the end, because when I saw any update and I tried to bring it, is for our own good, so that you know what is going on around you. I don't bring this update to intimidate anybody, but I bring this update for you to be current. That is why you have me. I am here to serve you. So the first one, we are going to listen to a little clip about Dr. Chidi, what he said about the arrest of Simon Ekpa. So listen and I'll be right back.
Today, it's not even about Simon Ekpa, because that's the person that I really, really want to talk about. But today, it's not about him. I've just got off the phone with a lot of officials, the Finnish embassy in Canada, the government of Finland, the Finnish police, and so many other, Interpol. I just got off the phone. You know, when I talked with you before we even planned this program, why you want me to come on live. So in my discussions with them, they kept asking me questions. Why are you not talking about this? Why are you not consulting this person? I said, it's not about all of those people. It's not about individuals. It's about the people who are suffering. My focus is on the individuals, the citizens themselves, who are the direct recipient of these things. What did the pregnant woman, what did this pregnant woman who died today, what role did she play in this whole thing? Why will Simon Ekpa be in Finland and ordering things to be happening back home, and is leading to the death of people, and some people are sitting online, and we are supposed to be smart people. Ipob people are wise. We are the wise people of the East. What happened to our brain? How? What happened? When I called the embassy today, I realized that the mistake that we've been making is this person is thinking that that person is doing something. The other person is thinking, including myself. I blame myself because I realized that I've kept quiet for a long time. I took the phone up and I called the embassy of Finland here in Canada, and I told them, I'm holding you responsible. So what are you talking about? I said, there is somebody sitting down in Finland. I got his address. I got his city. He's in Lati. They have his records. They said, hold on. They looked at it. They said, yeah, he lives in Lati. I said, why would you know that this person is sitting down in your country and giving orders for even a single human being to lose their lives, and you're keeping quiet? I told them, I will hold you responsible. And they know that they live in a country that is free, and they take people seriously. They acted immediately. The embassy official here, I asked her name. He said her name is Laura. I live in a country where things are open. Her name is Laura. I'm not kidding you. Their number, I can give you their number right here. I called them on the phone. Their number here, I'll give it to you. 1-800-567-6866. I called them. And then she stayed on the phone with me for over 30 minutes. We went through and we analyzed it. We know there are legal implications to everything. Simon Ekpa also has his rights there. But if somebody is sitting down somewhere and planning and saying, conjuring, being part of any plan to cause one human being's life to be lost, the police, the authorities will spring to action and do something about it. From there, we contacted the police in Finland, but they already closed. But then we also contacted the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and they gave me numbers, and I called these numbers, and I made reports. Because as far as I'm concerned, if Simon Ekpa is a citizen of Finland, he cannot sit there and be causing problem elsewhere. And a lot of you will say, why are you holding Simon Ekpa? Is it the Fulani people that are killing our people? Is it the army? No, he is not. But why is he causing the death of our people? Why were people killed? People were killed because they did not observe the sit at home. And some of you are saying that, yes, it is the sacrifice that has to be made. If it is sacrifice, then bring your own head. Bring your own head. Why would Simon Ekpa sit in Finland? His head is there, and he is saying that it is justifying the death of anybody, be it through the army, be it through Fulani headsmen, be it through kidnappers, be it through underbar. The death of anybody cannot be justified at all. There is no reason with which you can justify it. You're telling me that, when Mazen Namdekano was locked up, the Avengers, they did something. They blew up pipelines, and the government listened to them and released Mazen Namdekano. You said they blew up pipelines. Did they blow up human beings? Did you hear that they blew up Ikwere people? Did you hear they blew up Ogoni people? Did you hear that they blew up anybody who is an indigenous?
Now, I'm just here to give you some of the insights one after the other for you to be sure that of a truth, something of such happened. That I did not just come out to say that this is what is happening and it's not happening. That is why I brought that little clip from Dr. Chidi for you to know the step people have taken towards making sure that Simon Ekpa is arrested. But anyways, we still continue because we are still watching. And this person said, he said, they should know in Finland, Mr. Simon Ekpa is working marvelously in humanitarian, political, legal issues. Our political system requires you to be trustworthy and honorable. Finnish citizens, personally, I am ready any day to stand up and speak up for him. No problem. This is somebody that is a Finnish citizen telling you that no matter what comes up, no matter what they say about Simon Ekpa, no matter the allegation they brought forward, that he, as a human being, he is ready. It's going to be so tough because the battle is indeed a tough one. He said he is ready to speak up and to stand up for Simon Ekpa. So you that is watching this video right now, what is your take on all these issues? And we still have another one that I want to still show you. And this as well is from Ohanaeze. They are also calling for the arrest of Simon Ekpa. I can see that this 5 days sit at home. Let me stop there. And finally, the message that the autopilot IPOB passed out was that what happened to Mazen Namdekano, they will never allow it to happen to Simon Ekpa. So I rest my case. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe as I give you all the latest updates. Thank you and bye-bye.